What up, YouTube? Yeah, Quan, aka 4.6 Quan. Like I said last video, I said I was gonna make this bitch black, and I did. I might make this bitch all black. You hate to see that part. Yeah. I'm gonna get that bitch fixed, bro. This week, I already got the headlights in the trunk and shit. I just gotta get the grill. That's the only part really missing, and another door. A lot of people was like, yeah, but you should just change this bitch all black. That's what I did. This bitch look way 10 times better. I'm gonna show y'all. Hold on, I gotta open the trunk. Let me show y'all this bitch. Whoo! Yeah, bro, it's the other tire. I know. Got the lights though. Got the lights. I just need a front piece. That's all. I didn't even show y'all this. Hold on. I didn't even show y'all this. Oh, look. Yeah. 6. Got the intake on there.
Hey man, is this so bad, my nigga? I puffed the wood a couple times and yeah, I'm feeling that. Go grab a 5 and grab a pad, we finna steal a cat. I was in love with CC, wish I can get her back. But now I got a better bitch, so yeah, I'm good on that. Yeah, this a all black Drake, go slap the wood on that. The cat whining loud as hell, cause ain't.
Alright, y'all, so now let me get out this parking lot. I was just showing y'all around the car and shit. Oh my god, bro, this bitch. Dog, I haven't drove this bitch in a minute. I ain't gonna lie. I do not drive this bitch at all, cause nigga, I don't got shit on this car. Fuck, this bitch literally just a car. Bitch not even tied to my name. Fuck that red light.
What do you say fuck me for? Kind of retarded,
bro. I don't know where the fuck I'm just going.
I'm kind of retarded.
I don't know where the fuck I'm going. I'm just driving around and shit. But yeah, bro, you know what I'm saying? Just had to give y'all a little pull and shit. Had to give y'all a little pull and shit. Bro, this bitch in first gear, dog. Y'all probably asking why my steering wheel turned, bro. I swear to God, it's these Michigan potholes, dog. It's these Michigan potholes. These bro. Last video, my shit was straight as fuck. My shit was straight as hell, bro. Then out of nowhere, my shit cool. My shit like turned, bro. Let me give y'all a little pat right quick. Let me give y'all a little pat right quick. Let me roll down the window. Alright, listen to this bitch. Dog, this bitch fun as fuck, bro. I fucking love this car. Going 80 on your bitch. Why she on my dick? Yeah, bro, I'm so glad I got that bitch on record because I be doing all types of shit with not recording, bro. And I'm so mad, bro, because I'm so lazy to pull out the phone. Boy! But shit, though, like, what y'all been doing this shit, bro? You know what I'm saying? I know my upload schedule ass. For POV drives, you know what I'm saying? Niggas' arms be hurting, bro. Why you think the camera be shaking? What's good, YouTube? Got Caesar with it, nigga Jay.
Oh! It's Quan back with another video, man. Just took delivery of the crownvic last month. I had to go buy another 4.6, man. I'm playing, I'm bullshitting. My new shit, man. No more
300, bro. The last video, y'all seen the 300. Nah, this a Mustang, nah. In the last video, you seen this bitch all white. Nah, this all black, nah. Different shit. 4.6s though, damn. This bitch crazy though. I ain't gonna, this bitch crazy. Hey, bro, my shit squeaking, bro.
Why should we be doing that shit too? You need belt dressing.
Damn. I might put range dressing on the bill. I ain't gonna walk. But yeah, though, this how that bitch look, all black and shit. Remember I told y'all, like, I'm gonna make this all bitch all black? Hell yeah, I did. Fucks with it though, this bitch low-key hard.
The next day.
Oh shit, why the fuck is it snowing? Yeah, I forgot to record the outro, so I'm gonna just say, like, this the outro. But no, real shit though, I don't really know what to do on my channel for real. I might just bring car content to it, you know what I'm saying? I used to do gaming content on the same channel, so I might start fucking around and do gaming content. I don't know what y'all want, either real shit or, you know what I'm saying, car content and shit. So let me know. But I appreciate for the ones that stick around for real. Really by getting my channel, I be fucking around for real. Let me know what you guys want to see on the channel, because I'm really not gonna really have this bitch for real. This was just a dream, a fun little dream car to have. Slide around, do dumb shit in. Plan on selling it. But still good, it's still my little baby. But let me know, cause back-to-back videos on this, like, bro, I literally woke up out of my bed and walk outside and said,
"You wanna see me do it again?"
And then I added a SpongeBob meme. Nigga, hit that like button. No! But this is the end of the video. I'm dropping more videos, so stay tuned. And yeah, I'm out. Peace.
I bought this price, I'm seeing red, feel like the bad guy. I'm tryna pop that pussy up by 10, we in this red eye. You better hit that check, you wanna scare these bitches dead stock. Don't even want that bitch, she at the bag, giving her head out.